Hey there, are you wondering if Home Depot price matches with other retailers? Well, the short answer is yes. Home Depot does price match, but there are certain requirements you need to meet. First, the product must be identical to the one sold at Home Depot, including the model number and color. The product must be in stock at the competitor's store and not on clearance or closeout sales. The price must be valid at the time of purchase and advertised in print or online. You can request a price match by visiting the customer service desk at your local Home Depot store or calling their customer service hotline. Once the representative verifies that the product meets all the requirements and the price is valid, they will adjust the price for you. Price matching at Home Depot has several benefits, such as saving money, avoiding the hassle of shopping around for the lowest price, and getting the product you want at the retailer you prefer. If you have more questions about Home Depot's price match policy, reach out to their customer service team. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!